As a pilot, I just like to say, I did take the test. I passed it on my
congrats.
First try. Oh yeah, I know you passed it well before me. Why does that test have nothing to do with actually operating a drone itself? Because there's no questions on there about how do you take off and land? I don't know. That's probably an important thing to know if you're flying something.
Yeah. So, I mean, they do cover kind of flying and performance, but I think a lot of that is more like environmental factors that could go into it, right? Or, they cover like people's attitudes of, like they have these like hazardous attitudes. I don't really know. I mean, it's interesting that there is no practical application of that, where you can be a Part 107 licensed pilot and literally never put your hands on a drone.
Right.
So, I don't know if...
I just hope actual real pilots that fly actual real airplanes have a test that requires them to actually fly the plane, understand the plane, understand the rules and all that stuff, of course, but let's be real.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe it's something that's coming in the future, that the FAA is going to start requiring.
They should change the name from drone pilot to drone operator or something, because it's not a pilot. Let's be real.
Yeah.
But that's all right.